in orbit. They are massive amount, 360 million miles from Earth. That was in November when they first landed. Since then, the comet and the vehicle on it have moved 132 million miles from the Sun. I mean, that means that because they're closer to the Sun, that the solar panels are now able to generate electricity, and instruments have sprung back to life to perform basic functions. I mean, Dr. Genge, it seems incredible that anything can communicate over these sort of distances.
Well, it takes a long time for that signal to get to us. So, from where Rosetta is now to the Earth is about 16 minutes. So that's quite a delay on that long-distance telephone call as it sends back data.
And it's a two-way communication, as I understand it.
It is two-way communication, so they issue commands to the spacecraft, which once Philae again is communicating properly, then they can pass those instructions onto the Philae lander.
And how long is its sort of intermittent life now expected to be, given the trajectory the comet's on?
Well, we certainly know that as the comet gets even closer to the Sun, so it will be closest on the 13th of August, the solar panels will get more and more charge, so there'll be more battery, and there will be more experiments we can do. So the best case scenario is it's going to stay alive until the comet starts moving away from the Sun again.
Well, let's just have a look more, because obviously it was the shadows which caused Philae to shut down. Is there any chance that they might be able to reposition it at all?
There is a chance, but that would be a very dangerous thing to do. So we know that at the moment the probe is working. We know the lander is working. We know that it's on the surface. If we try and move it, the gravity on the comet is so low, there is the potential that it could move a very large distance and end up somewhere even worse.
Well, let's just have a look at how it recovered, because it made an 85-second call a few days ago on the 13th of June.
Might be.
And it can now do things like
Try to send him a
measure
text.
the temperature on the comet. I mean,
Bit of live
to
TV.
me, it doesn't sound that exciting, though, what the temperature is on a comet. Why does it matter?
The answer is very, very cold indeed. But what we're really looking forward to is the experiments that we can do soon as those batteries are recharged. So there's some experiments to look at the composition of the comet, and they involve running furnaces, which requires lots of heat.
And then there's the final thing there. Data can only be transmitted twice a day. Again, that's because of the orbit, is it?
That's because the comet spins round and it turns around completely twice a day, and that's when we can.
And one bit of information you're looking forward to from this mission?
The one piece of information is whether the ice on that comet has the same composition as the Earth's oceans.
Okay, we will look out for that. Thank you very much indeed, Dr. Genge.